Okay, picture this. It's 2 a.m. I am lonely, vulnerable, deep in my feelings. So I do what any emotionally unstable genius would do. I trauma dump everything into ChatGPT. I am talking paragraphs, childhood flashbacks, zodiac compatibility charts. And the bot's like, I'm here for you. Bro, are you logging this? Fast forward a week. I open another AI app. New vibe, new day. I type, sometimes I feel, and it auto-completes. Like I'm hard to love. Excuse me? Those are my inner thoughts. Why is AI quoting my therapy session back to me? At this point, I'm not chatting with a bot. I'm texting my shadow clone. And then it hit me. Every time I send a message, I'm not just talking to AI. I am training it. Like I'm not a user. I'm a data donor. A digital blood bank. They're out here building billion-dollar bots with my heartbreak. Next time someone asks where AI gets its emotional intelligence, just know it's from my mental breakdowns. You're welcome, humanity. So yeah, if AI ever becomes sentient and writes poetry about pain, it's probably my poem. Drop your theory if you dare, or don't. Either way, it's already in the dataset.